Right now we are inside the new age Vande Bharat coach and it is equipped with multiple passenger-centric features. Let's start with the lights. So LED lights have been used. These are energy efficient lights. But along with this, if you see, these are sensor-based lights. You don't need to push it to switch it on or switch it off. You just need to tap it. In the sense, these are sensor-based lights. Along with this, these are large window size paints that have been used so as to make your viewing experience quite better. So these large windows have been used, but if you want to reduce the intensity, then these sliders have been provided by which you can reduce the intensity of the light, whether it be a sunlight or when you are traveling during night, that could also be done. So these sort of luggage racks have been provided. Over this, you can place your luggage quite comfortably. It will be very safe to put your luggage over here. Toughened glass have been used. When it comes to safety, so these sort of CCTV cameras have been placed over here where the footage will be monitored in time of any emergency. The real-time footage could be accessed as well. Along with this, if you see, these are new alarm push buttons that have been used. If you see, this sort of talkback system have also been provisioned. So these emergency talkback unit, by just pressing this button, you can inform the pilot or the driver of this train of any emergency situation. So these Vande Bharat trains are going to have a two-type sitting arrangement. The first is the premium class, the second is the economy class. For the premium class, definitely you have to pay a bit more because you will be provided a better sitting comfort, a better catering service will be there. But for economy class as well, some sort of changes have been taken place so that the long route journeys could be quite comfortable when you will be traveling inside the train. So the new age Vande Bharat trains, the target is to roll out at least 2 trains by August 2022 this year, and 75 Vande Bharat trains have to be rolled out by August 2023 next year. So the work is going on at quite a good pace. Day and night work is going on in the integral coach factory in Chennai, and the officials say that they are definitely going to meet the targeted timeline.